What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm not here with the co-pilot Jax. The boy is at home getting his beauty rest. But today we're coming to you live from Agora Hills, California, USA, with another Wallis Annenberg wildlife crossing update. Well, the world's largest wildlife crossing is showing a lot of promising signs. The last couple times we've come, there's been a good amount of progress, much more than we've seen in the last couple months. We're hoping today is going to show us a lot more of that progress. We've had some unusually warm weather here, so hopefully those crews have left the gloves in the truck and are just really able to put their nose to the grindstone, get some good work done around here. On that note, it is chicken and apple time for the co-pilot. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video. Super chat, super thanks. All that goes a long ways in keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that decent December content. So without further ado, let's go and get on out there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.